This is the knowledge that you need in order to get unstuck or to stop repeating the same loops in any area of your life. Your creative energy is meant to solve problems. It's looking for unmet needs inside of you, inside of the people around you, and it's looking for ways that it can create and build something that then meets those needs. The issue becomes when our creative life force gets stuck or stagnates, trying to meet a need in a way that actually can't meet it. Usually we'll subconsciously recognize an unmet need, and then we'll attach the fulfillment of that need to a person, a relationship dynamic, or a particular strategy. And then we overinvest energy into that particular dynamic or environment, trying to get that need fulfilled. The issue then becomes this kind of closed loop problem solving that stagnates our energy on repeat. And what's happening is we're resisting the facts that our reality is mirroring back to us. The facts are this situation, this person, this dynamic, this strategy isn't meeting my needs in a way that actually fulfills me. The more you resist the current reality, the more attention, the more time, the more energy you invest into it, which drains your life force. And then people wonder why I have no energy to invest in creating the things that I actually want. It's because you're investing so much time, energy, and focus into getting your needs met in a way that's not actually meeting them. What you need to do is realize the hyper-focus or the hyper-fixation on the problem at hand maybe actually isn't the problem you need to be solving for. So the question is no longer, how do I solve this problem in this way, in this environment? And it becomes, what if this problem isn't actually what my creative energy is being asked to solve? If this wasn't the central focus of my energy, my time, my attention, where would my creative energy go? Often we devote so much of our energy and time to an old loop or an old pattern because it's protecting us and keeping us safe from the exposure of what a new life and a new reality would create. Releasing the same pattern is going to expose you to fear, to grief, to loss, and also a greater field of possibility and responsibility. So if you're stuck trying to get your needs met in the same situation that keeps mirroring back to you, the same walls, the same block, the same resistance, shift the question from how do I finally get my needs met here, and start asking what would it look like to be fully responsible for pursuing this need in alignment with what reality is showing me.